Hey champs, today we are going to learn backend in Next.js with React. So first, let's create an application, create next app at the rate latest. Now we can create a basic app, make everything yes. Meanwhile, the application is ready. You can subscribe this channel so you will get this type of videos in this channel. Okay. So first, okay, now I've created our application in app folder. So first, create a folder which name is config and create a new folder, other folder which name is API. API has a new folder which is users. Now new file connect db.ts and user has a new file route.ts. So user is a module and routes and connect DB. So first we can connect DB, import mongoose from mongoose. Now first need to install mongoose cd basic npm install mongoose. Now we can connect export default async connect db function not try catch console.log something is going wrong with connection. Or you make the connection is no, the Mongo is no connect. Okay, mongoose dot connect MongoDB localhost 27017. Now, database name is Next Basic. Okay, so we need to set MongoDB as debug mode so we can check query. Now, database file is connect. Now going to the route section. So first we need to connect import connect DB from DB export async function wait and the parameter is where type is any. So you have to define type. Now with response.json, okay, MSG, this is a gate route. Now we can check with this clear. Okay, so first need to run application npm run. Okay, this is running and 3004. So you can check application will be running. Meanwhile, we created Postman API users. So this method is get and this is get query. Now sign check 500. Um, no response. Okay. So we need to return this response. Now we can check. So this is a gate route. Okay. And now we can create all the route here first. After that, we can do anything. So gate and post, and the other one is put and delete. So this will return list of the users. This will create a user. This will update a user. This will delete. Okay, now let's restart. So first, create a model. We can create a model in a user folder, new file, model.ts. Now import mongoose from mongoose. So first user schema, new mongoose dot schema, first name, type, string, require to, and age, type, number, require true status type number default is now make time is turned to true. So the created and updated field is ready here. First user. So first need to check the user model has already or not. If already done written user model. Otherwise mongoose.model users and user scheme. Export default user. So the model is also ready. So would now import user and from at the rate app API user no, now user dot user user data that user data. Now first we can create the user and dot create name is so we need to get data from body const let um, rec data rec dot json need to add array here rec data name and the other one is age rec data dot age status is by default one so no need to add status here and adding user data here. So first, we go to the postman and duplicate, rename, create, and choose type is post. Now going to body section, choose row, JSON, name, name is 20. Now we can check it's working or not. Okay, response. Something is wrong. That is working. 500 internal error. Sudden open timeout. Okay, now I need to add database. Connect DB. So the first user has been created now, and now we can make list thing. So okay, let user list wait user and go find. Now you can get the list of users. We can reference this. We can get the list of users. So now we can create another one to check the list is working or not. 30. Now we can get two users, first user and the second. Okay. Now we need to update query, duplicate, rename, update. Okay. So need to add this as hook. So we can go to the hook. Okay. Now first let collect data and wait like JSON and wait user and dog update one. So like underscore ID like dog ID and name like data name. First parameter and the other parameter is like data dog. So first parameter is where and the other parameter is updated values. Okay, now you go to here and the user has been updated. Now message and that updated data. Mhm, updated data. Okay, and now Going to the Postman, create, update, both are same, get list. So we can update this variable in this ID, update and add ID parameter is there. Send, okay, acknowledge true, modify count one. So we can do is 30 as 40. Now we can check in the list. Yes, this will change. And the updated time is also changed. So now create delete method, delete and choose it's also delete HTTP method. Now body we need ID for delete this. Go to here and same as let let back data new rag.json wait user m dot delete one underscore ID that data. Now the user has been deleted. Let del go to here in Postman and hit 500 internal array issue. So is not the concept of okay. Something is going wrong. Okay, so wait. Now acknowledge to delete count is there. Okay, the user has been deleted. Now we can check in the list. It's a 284. Now we can go to the list. The user is deleted. Okay, so we can rename this. This is the list, and we can create another one to list. So another user has been created now. Okay, now we can add another one, duplicate, rename, gate, and rename list. So the both method is written currently written list, gate, and there. Now we want to get only this and gray. So this method is not found because I'm adding ID here. So now we can go to how to add parameter in the URL. So now here is some tree in the user you have route. So in the user you need to create a folder in small brackets. So user ID. So this is a parameter. Okay. Now copy this and create a new file route.js. Okay. And here is another parameter is context. Choose any. Now you can get um, let parents context dot parents. Now you can get parents. This is the ID. So you choose let user ID or make any variable get ID like this. So you can choose any variable from here, but here is this parameter user ID. So now we can get ID. This is current user ID. Okay. Now we choose find one and the ID is get ID. Now we can check in the Postman. Okay. So now we can get this ID data. This way. So if you want to add another parameter like um, name, okay, um, Nafis. So this route will not found because it's not created here. So if you want to create another route like this, so you need to go in this folder and create a new folder, same as between small bracket and choose his name and same as create route, new file, route.ts. Now you can get user ID and name also. So user ID and name, you can get both parameter in this route, but in the user ID route, you only get user ID parameter. Okay. So now we can check. I can return param in the data. New data can go here. That is two user ID and name. So first is user ID and the other one is name. So friends, this backend things is done in Next.js with React. Okay. So friends, if this video is helpful to you, so like this video, subscribe this channel and comments if you want anything from my side and share this video because other people get benefit of this video. Thank you very much for watching.